Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to do this vacation hairstyle. My friend is going on vacation. If you watch my channel, you see her or you must have seen her. Yes. So she contacted me that she wanted to make that hairstyle. She first sent the hairstyle video to me. I'm like, okay, yes, I can make it happen. We booked an appointment and here she is. Trust me, it was not just going to be hair that we'll be making. We will be gisting, like the gist. Hair that is supposed to take like just 6 hours. It took us more than that because we did not just make hair. We talked and talked. Most times when you sit on the chair of your hairstylist, trust me, especially when you have a connection, it's not going to be just hair. There's like, for me, I feel it's also bonding time. So sit back, relax, and watch this beautiful video. Now, if you are going on vacation, I recommend this hairstyle. You know, when one is going on vacation, you just like something that is curly yet cheeky at the same time, not just like the normal box braid. So this box braid with curly ends is going to be giving you that vibe. Now, for this box braid with curly ends, there's something unique about this hairstyle. The fact that you get to style it in different ways. One good thing about my friend is that she styled this hairstyle that when I even saw the picture, I'm like, is it this hair that I made that you style into different hairstyles? That's one good thing about this hairstyle for vacation, I will recommend it for vacation because the curls will be curling and you can do any style you want with it as long as you know how to style your braid. So I'm giving people expo. You can make this hairstyle if you'll be traveling for vacation or or just normal hairstyle if you want. It is also going to come out nice. So watch and let me know if it is going to be the hairstyle you try or you just or you if you're in Qatar and you like me to make your hair, send me a message on my Instagram and I will respond and we'll book an appointment and get your hair made. So enjoy this beautiful video. Like I said, if you have any comments, please feel free to drop it. If you like the hairstyle also, give this video a thumbs up. good thing I like about the braid, like the extension that my friend chose for this hairstyle, is that number one, it suits her skin color, and also it blended so well with her own natural hair that you could, like, I blended it so well that it just blended and, you know, give the hairstyle a very beautiful look. Because if she had used black, it would have also come out fine, but I feel this color gave it a very, 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 very beautiful, like, outcome. It made it pop more. That's what I feel. Do you think that I would have used like blue, white, or you would have preferred black if it were you? Personally, I think I prefer this color. I start to hold that place because that place was quite sensitive. The front hair now, if you are making it, if you're not careful, while you are pulling and drawing, it will just come out at the same time. If you have watched up to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to make this hairstyle, even if you're not in Qatar, make sure you share this video with your hairstylist and show her the exact thing that you want. Now I'm done with the braiding. As you can see how long this hair is. See, one thing with curly hair is that when you curl it, it's going to, like, the length is going to shorten. So that's why when you are making it, make sure it's long, especially if you want the curls to come out long. You see how long this one is. Then when I curl it and put it in hot air, you see how it turned out. Now make sure you brush it though. Brush, 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 brush. I used that hot comb that I used in brushing her hair at first to brush it again, just to make it more straight. So I did not show it, but I used it. No gatekeeping zone here, okay? Then use my flexi rod to just wrap it around. Now notice how I'm wrapping it around. I'm not just wrapping it around straight. If not, the curl pattern that you get will not be the same as the one I got. You're going to do that as if you are twisting it. Make sure that the extension, the braiding hair, is tight, and just twist it around the flexi rod so that you get the exact same curl pattern that I got. at this point, if I'm being honest with you guys, this hair took more than 6 hours. First of all, because we were gisting, talking, even had lunch while we made this hair. I almost say breakfast. We had lunch, we gisted, we rested, we came back. But it's just that, she's my friend, and when you're making your friends hair, people will gist, you talk, you laugh, and you go back to the hair. So it took long. But I know definitely if it were not all those things, highest 4 hours, 5 hours, you just make it, okay? See how beautiful these curls are. Like I told you guys, you see how long it was, right? When I finished braiding, look at the length it is now that I finished braiding it. I added mousse, to hold it so all those flyaways. That's what mousse does. It kind of sticks everything together, like, this part of the finishing touch your braid needs. So in case your hairstylist is not adding mousse, remind her, auntie, please add mousse, okay? And she'll dry it with hair dryer on low heat. Okay, this is how the hair is looking. This is how my babe looks. I added them curls at the front to give it the look she was going for, so that when she packs it, it will come out like that. Thanks for watching.